Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at Celestia, which is the first modular blockchain network. Now we can actually see over the month, Celestia is up 70% and it does continue to soar over the last week and 24 hours. So we're going to quickly do a bit of a price analysis on this video, and four bonus coins I'm currently buying into at the end of this video as well. So we're 102 days away from the Bitcoin halving. Celestia is $16.57 right now. We can see over the last 24 hours it has moved by 20%. So I want to talk about the next potential leg up here for Celestia if it happens, but also what I will do if we see a correction in the crypto markets and where my entry points will roughly be based on a few different confluences here. So yeah, let's crack right in. Hope you guys are well. If you're new here, subscribe, that really helps, and leave a comment down below. So Celestia, this is the website for those that have not seen it before, but we're not here to do research fundamentally. We're here just to really look at what's going on with Celestia. So it all started in October 31, 2023, where the Celestia mainnet went live. And since then, we've seen nothing short of impressive behavior, parabolic price movement for this token. And we can actually see, look, roll-ups as a service with Celestia underneath. It says RaaS platforms make deploying a high throughput blockchain as easy as deploying a smart contract. And based on this, I also saw some other gems here: Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon Labs. Now, for any crypto fundamental investor, these are three coins that are really, in my opinion, really imperative to get into. So I hold ARP, I hold OP, I hold Polygon as well. These are three coins I'm very bullish on in conjunction with TIA. So we can see TIA has been trading in a bit of a horizontal channel. There's been a lot of volatility from swing lows to $11 up to these highs of $14, and recently we have had a big breakout. So I'm looking for the potential support range if we do see a drop here for Celestia, because you can see that we're a bit overbought on the RSI. We also have a bearish divergence on this 1 hour time frame, so we could see a short-term pullback where we've got the RSI dropping, the price is increasing. So we do have that divergence here. That is one bearish indicator for Celestia right now. I don't think we'll have a terrible correction, but if we do get it, we could be looking at around the $14 to $13.90 where I'll be placing a long position. If we go down even lower, $11 is the next level, and then we actually have even lower if we move over here to the weekly time frame. You can actually see my setup, my key areas of support. We've got the $5.40, which is super unlikely for it to do a 70% correction now. Quickly go to the daily time frame, and we can also see I've got this major run of support over here at around $11. So they're the main areas. These are the buyback regions, but overall I'm waiting for $13.50 where I think I'll enter a bit of a long position. Now what if we do see some continuation here for Celestia, because on the daily time frame we're no longer actually overbought. Well, we could still see another leg up here if we do break this resistance, but you can see that we do have a selling wick right here where there's quite a bit of selling pressure. Although if we do just correct here and just trade sideways for a bit at this level, there's always the chance for another leg up, right? We can still see another pump to the upside. The 1618 fib would take us to a very juicy looking $18. So the bullish scenario, $18 if we can get a breakout through these resistances. But you can see time and time again we are getting those corrections. So it makes me wonder, you know, are we going to see a pump to the upside, or are we going to see a bit of continuation downwards? Maybe we need to retest some lower levels like the $14.70 before we make a move back to the upside. But I do think it does look very volatile at the moment, and the markets are a little bit, I don't want to say rocky or volatile, because we're not seeing a big correction just yet. Bitcoin is still looking very healthy and strong, but we do have all those ETFs that are coming around. Some are getting delayed. So, you know, we're seeing a bit of buy the rumor, sell the news go on. 44k for Bitcoin, 2.2k for Ethereum right there. So there's two obviously very key barometers of the market. Ethereum isn't really doing much right now. Celestia, all-time highs from a website called Coin Codex. They're saying by 2030 we can see a $53 Celestia token. So that's a 3x from where we are at the moment. Again, that's all subjective. We can see it's a $2.5 billion market cap. It's ranked 36, which tells me a 10x takes it to $25 billion, and would put it at a price tag of $160 if we have the same amount of supply in circulation. So I personally think $50 is actually a pretty good, realistic price target. But I think for 2025, the yearly high being just $21, I think it's going to be way more than that. That's just my own opinion. And we can see, looking at the day, the markets are pretty mixed. You know, we've got some pumpers, we've got some dampers. we've got some coins aren't really doing much at all and just trading sideways. So yeah, I thought I'd put that out there and just talk about TIA. I do think we could see some more continuation to the upside here, but it's very risky if you're looking to go long, and some coins, you know, we're looking at more short positions here, especially for me. I think just looking at the RSI, we need to see a bit of a cool down here for Celestia. So I do have more of a bearish sentiment about this one right now. If you guys are looking for trading signals where you'll find like signals for Celestia and things like this in the Discord down below, please do check out my Patreon. There's over 500 patrons now, which is amazing. I've just opened some new Crypto Legend and Crypto Champion slots, and you can see there's only 5 left already. So they're selling quick, really quick, and we can only have so many of them. So if you want to get all the early calls, the next crypto launches, the straight to DEX coins, early access to whitelistings, pre-sales, 500 plus trading signals per month, do check out the Patreon. And whilst you're at it, sign up to MEXC. The more you trade, the more bonuses you potentially get by using my link, which is just down below. So if you're looking to trade where I do all my trading, I do it all on MEXC, and that's a good place to get started with your trading journey. Remember guys, not financial advice. You should always store your crypto offline anyway if you are going to for your full custodianship. But overall, I think these markets are looking pretty juicy. Now, how about the 4 bonus coins? Let's just have a look at them. I'm not going to go into depths too much. You guys probably know what these coins are right now, but based on some of the price action that I've seen here, like for AVE, we're getting a bit of a correction. $104, that's one of the coins I'm looking at. Say coin, I'm still got my eyes tight on this coin. I think we could see a correction down a little bit further, but I will continue to dollar cost average into Say. We also have Optimism. So, you know, this is a layer 1 infrastructure. We've also got Optimism as a scaler of Ethereum here, and a $3.2 billion price valuation. Go back in time, we can see it's pretty much sitting at an all-time high. So Optimism is one I'm looking at closely, but I'm not looking to buy a huge position of right now. I will be waiting for a cool down here, and I think by the bull run we're looking at a 10 billion plus valuation. And the other one, Mina Protocol, another coin I'm very bullish on. I'm keeping an eye on it because of course it's proven itself a very worthy project right now. I'll be waiting for the market cap to crawl back down to around that 1 billion zone before I potentially crawl back into it and grab some more tokens. So that's a wrap guys. Celestia looking super bullish right now. What coins are you bullish on in the market? Things are looking juicy still. As you can see, over the last 7 days we're getting a lot of pumpers. ICP, Say, Celestia, Arbitrum have been the real stars of the show right now. But yeah, that's a wrap guys. See you soon. Bye for now, and stay crypto safe.